Mazzy, what is he doing? Are you giving yourself a bath, buddy? I don't know if that makes your water taste any cleaner. I know where those feet have been. Yeah, I don't even see anything in there he's digging for. It's like bobbing for apples. He's just having fun with the water going everywhere. What the hell? Now you're gonna drink it while you're in it?
Why not?
Oh my goodness. Easel. You're making a hell of a mess for me to clean up. Diesel.
So that's why you're here today.
Diesel. Can we come over here out of the water? That'd be kind of nice. Why is she getting out of there? Are you giving yourself a pedicure? I think it's his pedicure.
Every dog.
I'm not really sure what he's doing. He's learning how to swim. That's the doggy stroke.
There we go.
What the fuck? Yeah, find it. Those are called waves, buddy. Hey, if I could teach him to do this, I don't have to ever give him a bath again. A lot of mess up. Good God, there's water going everywhere. No wonder you never have any water.